Hello and welcome to How to Log In. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Western Alliance Mortgage account. Go ahead and open the Chrome or Edge browser on your PC and then go to google.com. Now in the Google search bar, search for Western Alliance Bank Mortgage Login. Now, if you click on these links, you will not get a login system. So you can scroll down and see that there is a bsmarty account or the website where you can see there is written login Western Alliance Mortgage. Click on this link and it will lead you to a login portal where you can see that you can write down your email address and password associated with the Western Alliance Bank Mortgage account and click login. So it's quite simple. Go and search for Western Alliance Bank Mortgage Login, scroll down and click on this link which appears on your screen. Now write down your email address and your password associated with the Western Alliance Mortgage Bank. Now click login and you can successfully log into your Western Alliance Mortgage account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and enjoy.